Hey everyone, this is AJ from Mobius, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Mobius M100 solventless wash system. The M100 is a truly commercial scale system that includes a 200-gallon cooling vessel, a 100-gallon wash vessel, and a 100-gallon recovery and recirculation vessel. Each of these triple-walled tanks features an internal glycol jacket and an insulating layer to actively cool and maintain your RO or filtered water at the desired temperature and prevent condensation from forming on the exterior of the tank. This completely eliminates the need for ice, which enables you to maximize the volume of each wash. Once your wash cycle is complete, the innovative collection platform on the M100 is put to work. Centrifugal action is used to rapidly and gently dewater the wash. This significantly speeds up the trichome filtering and collection process without using destructive vibratory force. The M100 is equipped with a user-friendly touchscreen interface that allows the operator to program recipes and run automatic wash sequences. They are also able to monitor operating conditions in real time as the sensors integrated into the tanks auto-detect water levels and temperature and constantly feed this information back to the HMI. The Mobius M100 is also GMP ready and all surfaces can be power washed for easy and effective cleaning. Automated mechanical tilt allows operators to bring the wash vessel to a fully horizontal position, making cleanout simple and safe. The Mobius M100 is the most advanced commercial hash washer on the market. It delivers high yields and a consistent end product with minimal labor requirements. To learn more about automating your cannabis processing workflow with the Mobius M100 solventless wash system, please visit mobiustrimmer.com.